Hello yarn friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get notified with my new tutorials and videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this easy curly hair piece. So the materials that you'll be needing for today is a D 3.25 millimeter hook and some 4-weight yarn. Now these hair bits are great for unicorns or any kind of amigurumi project. So let's go ahead and get started. So find the end of your yarn, and we are going to move these other pieces out of the way. And we do want to start with a slip knot. So there we go. Grab your hook. Sorry about my nails, guys. I didn't get a chance to do that before filming. And now we're going to yarn over and chain up 41 stitches. So go ahead and make your chain stitches and meet me back here. All right, now that you have your 41 chains, we are going to skip this stitch closest to our hook and into the following, this one right here. We are going to make 2 single crochets. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to do that twice. So this is actually a very, very simple tutorial. Now into each and every single stitch up, we are going to place 2 single crochets into every single stitch. So now I have 4 stitches. Into this next one, I'm going to place 1 and 2. So go ahead and do that all the way up, and you'll start to see it curl. So I'll meet you halfway, kind of show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like when you're about halfway done. You'll see it just naturally starts curling. So go ahead, just do this all the way up. I'll meet you at the very end and I'll show you how we'll finish this off. Alright my friends, so I just finished my last stitch here. So now what we want to do is leave quite a bit of a tail for sewing. I should have mentioned that at the beginning. We want to leave quite a bit of a tail on both sides. We're going to finish this off just like that. And that is all there is to it, guys. So right now I am making a ton of these for a unicorn that I am making, and this will be the hair, the mane and the tail for the unicorn. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you get updated on more videos and tutorials. Thanks so much you guys, have a great day.